Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook, yeah, whoa. Kids Can Cook, get ready for the show.
All right, everybody, welcome back to Kids Can Cook. I'm Chef D, and today we have a new recipe for you. We're gonna make fish sticks. Let's talk about it. We're gonna start off with this beautiful Atlantic cod here that we're gonna slice up into nice little fish sticks. And then over here, our ingredients are very simple. We have flour, we have eggs, panko breadcrumbs, salt, and pepper. Let's get to it. The first thing we want to do is we want to crack our eggs into our bowl here. Now, let's talk about cracking eggs. When you crack an egg, you want to crack it on the side of the bowl and create a divot. Then you put your fingers in the divot and pull. Very easy how to crack an egg. Third egg, crack, divot, pull. Very simple. Now, we're going to take a fork and we're going to beat those eggs together. Nice scrambled eggs. And now the next step is to season our flour, eggs, and panko with salt and pepper. Next, we're gonna come over to our cod and we're gonna cut it into nice, small slices. I like long strips too, so I'm gonna make sure I cut it into long strips. One, two, 3 and 4. Let's do some more for measure. Another one. Let's make a really long one. Ha 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 ha. Now, we're gonna take this and we're gonna season it all up with salt and pepper. All right, we have all of our different ingredients ready. Let's talk about the breading method. We are going to fry these fish sticks using the breading method. Traditionally, what you do is you will take something like this fish stick and you will roll it in flour to coat it. Then you put it inside of the egg wash that we have here, and then finally in the breadcrumbs. And what that does is create layers which will allow the breading to stick to our fish sticks. So let's see how it goes. All right, guys, let's practice this breading method. You're gonna take your fish, roll it in the flour. It's very important that you coat it in that flour. Uber important. then eggs, and then panko. Oh my God, this is gonna be great. I can tell right now looking at it. And just put it inside. Oh yeah. Same thing again. Haha. Flour, egg, panko. Now, when you're taking objects and laying them in the grease, as a safety measure, it's very important to lay them in and then let them go away from your body. So there is a splash, it splashes away from you. The more you know. This is a long one. And this can get kind of messy, but that could be fun too, right? I think I'm gonna make a 5-piece. Now after about 2 minutes, you wanna roll these bad boys over to the other side. Oh my God, these look so good. You know what? These are gonna be delicious, but I don't think you deserve them until you sing for your supper. No, your screen didn't freeze. That was just me being silly. All right.
Food's got to have it, food's got to have it, food's got to have its foods.
Break it down now! Give me that mac and cheese, boy! Give me that mac and cheese! Give me that mac and cheese, boy! Give me that mac and cheese!
After about 2 minutes on the other side, we're gonna take these bad boys out and let the excess oil drain. Now, let's put this together. These look amazing. When they come out of the grease, it's a really good time to season them one more time really quickly while they're still kind of wet from the oil. It allows the seasoning to stick to the fried item. That's a rule of thumb for most fried things. All right, oh man. I'm gonna start by putting a couple pieces down here like this. Oh yeah. And there you have it. Fish sticks.
Get ready for some excitement and get ready for some fun. Kids Can Cook is coming at you, it's great for everyone. We're gonna cook up some delicious food that tastes good and is healthy too. Yummy and nutritious, and of course delicious. Kids Can Cook.